Asuntoskeyhtiö Mariankatu 16. Helsinki, Kronhaka Helsinki. Staircase B. Yeah. Yeah.
But this is for 2 persons, 160 grams. And this residential it doesn't have that staircase here, which I was thinking. I think I said it in the video, but
Yeah.
there was no elevator there.
Yeah.
So I filmed both A and B.
Yeah.
We found the code today also.
Yeah.
Well, we couldn't know because I couldn't see it.
Yeah. Yeah. 1927, 2006. 2008, yes.
Yeah, it's
It's 671.
yeah. Here it says 180 kilograms.
Yeah.
It was increased probably. I'll be 95 years old this year in 2022.
Yeah.
The mortician will be 15 years old in next year, 2023.
Yeah.
When it's going to be inspected again.
This bigger two persons elevator.
It feels like for 3 persons.
Yeah.
I don't know why it says for 2 only.
Yeah.
And it has 6 floors, but this panel should have big brass.
Yeah.
I know it's strange that they didn't put it floor with brass. Yeah.
Instruktiivpaikki vaikuttaa meitä paikalla. Modernized enough. Or yeah.
That's not very much.
Yeah. That's